Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up a FAQ page on Bluehost. I just tab on the Bluehost website and here you will see the Bluehost new account manager FAQ. So how to make a FAQ page on Bluehost? You should start by creating a separate page for your FAQs. So go to pages, add new setup, the title, and then add the questions and answers that bother your audience the most. Once you are happy with how things look, publish your page, then head over the appearance menu, select page and tick the FAQ page you have only just created to add it to your menu. So you can just create it here. It's an example how it's possible. So add custom CSS style for your FAQs. And if you want to buy the premium or subscription of Bluehost, please go through the link in description for referral code. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.